Hey, what's up? It's Drew with GFL Realty, unloading another property tour video. Coming straight to you from Northeast Atlanta, Georgia. If you want to see more properties or more homes or have any questions, check the first pinned comment down in the description. Remember, every home, every deal, everything starts with a strong foundation. So let's go ahead and jump into this tour. You know what time it is. You know what day it is.